Get it, Lily. Oh, she got it. Hey guys, Judy and Lillian Louise here. I'm in here playing with her. And Daddy, I heard her daddy just come home, so it'll take him a minute to get in. But she's been waiting on him to get here. So, he said today the only treat that he brought for her is the fact that he is wearing a new hat. He went and bought a new hat. So, he didn't bring her a toy or anything, so she'll probably leave his new hat alone tonight. That's what he's hoping for. But that's not what we're all hoping for, is it? Lillian, what are you doing? Is almost 3 years old. Be 3 years old at the end of March. He is a white-faced capuchin monkey. She's a lot of fun. We were going to go outside and play today and let her climb trees, but it was pretty chilly. And she doesn't like the cold weather. So we didn't go out today, but I thought I'd do a video for you guys with just her and Billy. And she is excited because Dad's coming home. Where's Daddy? Here he comes. There's Daddy.
What's my girl doing?
Say hi, Dad.
What's my girl doing?
They've been waiting on you to get here.
Come here. Come here. Come here, girl.
I notice you got a new hat, Dad.
A new hat. Is that what you're looking at? A new hat. You're looking at my hat? You better get out of my pocket. Get out of my pocket.
She says, didn't you bring me something?
No, not tonight. Got me a new hat. The hat? Huh?
Daddy got a new hat, Lillian.
What about my hat?
Daddy got a new hat, Lillian.
Huh?
She's saying what you have in your pockets.
I know it.
I think she's surprised you didn't bring her something.
I'm gonna lock my pocket. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's Daddy.
Come here.
You better go say hi to Dad.
Come here, say. Come here.
She's mad at you. You didn't bring her a toy.
Huh? No toy? No toy? Huh? No toy?
Daddy didn't bring you a toy today. Say, you didn't bring me a toy. You see Daddy's new hat? That's your toy.
Huh? How about my new hat?
Get Daddy's hat. Daddy got a new hat.
Huh?
Look at Daddy's hat.
How about my new hat? Do you like my hat?
Well, she's upset. You didn't bring her something.
Oh, well, I got a pocket on my sleeve. Look at there.
She says, yeah, but there's nothing in it, Dad.
Come here. Come here, girl.
Yeah, after the Tooth Fairy video, Billy went to work. After the Tooth Fairy video, Billy went to work and he said all the guys up there were hopping around.
Oh, yeah.
They gave you a hard time, huh?
They give me a hard time. That's okay, though.
It was worth it, huh?
Yeah, it was well worth it.
If you guys haven't seen the Tooth Fairy video, I'll stick a link up right now, up at the top. Y'all need to click on it and watch it, and you'll see why all of his buddies were hopping around at work. I wish I could have seen that. You gonna get Daddy's hat?
Come here. You see Dad's hat?
Daddy got a new hat, Lillian.
See my new hat? Huh? You see my new hat?
She's just excited that you're home.
I know,
Although a gift is always welcome.
I know.
You did buy her a gift the other day that we haven't given to her. You want to go get it?
No, she just glad to see Daddy.
Yeah, she's glad to see Dad with no gift. She's pulling your hat off.
I know it.
Tell Daddy, you didn't bring me a present, Dad.
Huh?
Say, where's my present, Dad? You're supposed to bring me a toy.
Huh?
Take Daddy's hat off and say,
That hat stays on better than any other one.
does it?
Yeah.
Oh, not too good. So you didn't bring me a present, Dad. Where's my toy?
She just wants to play. She's full of it tonight. Yes, you just want to play, aren't you?
So Billy built this room here, Lillian's playroom, and it is 10 foot by 10 foot by, what is it, 8 foot high? 7 foot high. And then we strung the ropes all around it for her to have a little rope highway. And she loves it. And then I bought her, Billy put that board up for her. She perches on that when she eats. And then I bought her a nice rug for the room. You can see part of it in here. Right now we have a blanket on the floor. We like to keep a blanket. It helps keep the rug clean. And, oh gosh, the whole rug is covered. And, whoop, she got the hat, Dad.
Word.
And then we bought her a clubhouse. Whee! Get Daddy. Get him. Get his hat. Get Dad's hat. Anyway, this is the clubhouse here. That's her piano she got for Christmas. There's her disc swing. And that's her little feeding table. We put her food on top of that. We chop up her fruits and vegetables and put the nuts and everything on there. Then she jumps up there on her perch, and that's where she eats. So it's good to have the table there because when anything falls, it lands back on the table. Yeah. She tried. And this is her cat tree that she has already done a number on. So we're going to have to get her a new one pretty soon.
What are you doing?
Oh, she hugging Daddy.
You giving Daddy a hug? You giving Daddy a hug?
She loves her dad. If you can, Dad. Aw,
You need that kiss?
Daddy kisses. Says, nah, but I'll bite your hat.
She's just in a playful mood tonight.
Uh-huh. She's glad to see Dad.
Yeah. Dad, I play with that girl. Dad, I play with that girl.
Daddy's tired, Lillian.
Mm-hmm.
He had to lay down. Are you going to play with Dad?
What you got? What are you eating? A lemon?
No, that's one of those balls she tore in half.
Oh.
Yeah, put that in your pocket. Don't let her have that.
What?
Oh, she took it with her. Yeah. Yeah, can I see what you got? Let me see. Thank you. Can you put that in your pocket?
Pickpocket.
Yeah, she loves getting in pockets. She knows there's stuff in pockets. Uncle Bob started all that because he keeps cashews in his pocket for her. So now she's a pickpocket. Are you getting in Dad's pocket? Does Daddy have something in there? Let her put her hand in it. Is she digging in it? She says, I know there's a toy in here somewhere, Dad. You're just playing with me. Uh-oh, what'd she get? She got your keys.
Oh no. No, girl.
There, she dropped them right there behind you. She's a good pickpocket. You didn't even know she had them.
I know it.
Did you get Daddy's keys? Did you get Daddy's keys? You're a regular old pickpocket, aren't you? You better go see Daddy. Ooh. What's Daddy got? Lillian. Lillian, what's Daddy got? What's Daddy got in his pocket? Oh, get off the camera. Ow, you're heavy. Oh.
Come here, Maggie. Maggie. Maggie.
Daddy's calling you. Are you his monkey?
Come here. Come here, Maggie.
Are you Daddy's monkey? You are? You Daddy's monkey? Lillian, are you Daddy's monkey?
You did. Come here, Maggie.
You are?
Come here, Maggie. Where you at?
Oh, she got that out of your pocket, Billy. Oh, no, that's another one.
No, that's her ball.
Yeah. I thought she already pickpocketed you again. Ooh, wipe out. I missed that. I heard the thud, but I missed it. Get that ball from Daddy. Can you get it? Say, give me that ball. That's my ball, Dad. She got it. She's faster than you.
Dad.
Daddy got your ball again. Can you get it? Look.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, she got it. Here it is, right there. You got it, Lillian. You're faster than Dad. She says, let's do it again. Get it, Lillian. Oh, she got it.
She looked away so Dad could stop.
See if she'll come down and do that one.
It's got the bell in it.
Dad's got that ball. Can you go get it? Oh, she got it. She's fast. Okay, Daddy's getting sleepy. Lillian slept late today though, Billy, so I don't know if she's gonna be ready for bed.
Well, you bring her in.
She jumped on your head.
Come give me your night-night kiss.
Tell Daddy night-night.
Night-night.
He's going to bed without you tonight.
Night-night.
Because I can promise, if you take her to bed with you right now, she will not go to sleep.
Oh.
Oh.
Night-night kiss. You know, night-night kiss.
Say night-night, Daddy.
Night-night.
She wants to go with you, though. Look at her.
Oh.
You want to take her and try it? And if she doesn't, I'll bring her back in here and let her play.
You go night-night.
I already changed her diaper.
Okay.
You might want to give her a bottle right quick.
I'll give her a little milk and some nuts.
Okay.
Alright.
Yay! Oh, wait. Let's let her say goodbye to everybody.
Alright, say goodbye to everybody.
Well, guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Lillian's telling y'all night-night. She's getting aware now. She's putting her hand on it, like waving goodbye. She's starting to wave a lot more. You want to tell everybody night-night?
Tell everybody
I'm going to bed with Daddy. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy the videos, make sure to give her a big thumbs up and drop her a comment below. I read comments to Lillian. Got that baby. She got her baby. Yay! That's so cute. She said, don't hold me. All right, guys, we will catch y'all next time.
Okay. Alright. Night-night.
Uh-oh, Daddy locked me in your cage.